Engineering is fundamental. It tackles the big issues. It designs our homes and creates our water, energy and communication systems. It sustains our economies. It transports, transforms, informs and protects. From fashion to fusion, there is no part of our lives it does not touch. From the creation of new materials to making the clothes of the future, to the development of clean, green sources of power, engineering underpins almost every detail of modern life. There are no limits to what it can achieve, save those set by our imagination.
What I'm showing here in a little gel phantom that mimics tissue, it has similar properties as far as the ultrasound is concerned. So this is a new technique that's being pioneered for cancer treatment because it can be done without the need for surgery. Seeing something you've produced, something that you've created, actually being utilised, I think is really, really exciting.
It's hard to imagine Sony ever doing anything without engineering. It's the soul of the company, the stars of the company, the engineering. In some ways, they're like the actors in a movie business. They're the people who generate the creativity and generate the energy and excitement in the business and create products that last for tens of years. I don't think we do a very good job of explaining to people the joy of engineering.
Very often you take engineering for granted. By and large, we've come to not appreciate engineering in the manner we should. Finding solutions to a problem that many people may not even see, but to be able to spot the problem and what needs to be done. This is what engineering is all about.
Engineers are the poets of the practical world. They're the creators, the dreamers, the innovators, and they change the world in which we live. This prize can make people understand why it's so important.
This is the real story of 21st century engineering. This is what the Queen Elizabeth Prize for Engineering celebrates. This new global £1 million prize will recognise advances in engineering that have changed the world. The prize will be awarded to an individual or team of up to 3 people responsible for a groundbreaking innovation in engineering that has had an impact on humanity. Her Majesty the Queen will award the first prize in May 2013, and nominations can be submitted until September 14, 2012. As we search for the winner, we will discover and celebrate the untold stories of engineering success and the people behind them. And we will inspire a new generation of engineers to take up the challenges of the future. The Queen Elizabeth Prize is something that is fresh.
This is recognition of engineers globally, the equivalent to the Nobel Prize in Science, but this is recognising engineers which have been far too long forgotten.
It's going into the future. It is recognising and celebrating people who are going to contribute to engineering in a big way. Engineering is for humanity, and that is the bottom line.
Engineers are the real revolutionaries, the ones who take society forward, who create the technologies and the structures which carry us into new worlds. They're the ones who will find the ways to overcome climate change, to answer challenges and create new industries, ones that haven't even been thought of yet. That's why we need this prize to urge people on, to encourage daring, open minds to new possibilities. So now with this new prize, open to the world, let us, in this generation, go on to stimulate a new generation of engineering genius.